Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Monday. It's April 8th, 2024. Um, Came in today. It's Monday. Usually I'm closed, but I've been kind of busy. So I'm playing catch up on doing a lot of different work that has to get done. Orders. I've got a bunch of orders that are going out. Um, right now, I decided to close the TikTok shop down for a little bit. I have too many orders coming in and I'm having a hard time keeping up with them. So I had to zero out the inventory. But that doesn't mean people can't order from me. They just can't order on TikTok. I told them they have to go to my website. That way, and then they get more stuff anyway because there's more things on my website than there are on TikTok. So I just thought I'd jump in and say hi this morning. Gonna have our solar eclipse today. That ought to be interesting. Um, I'm not gonna go outside and look at it. I really don't care. I'll just, I'll see it gets dark, but I'll do my thing. Going to be working on a couple different things today. I got some website stuff to update. I've got paperwork. I've got all kinds of things, and I got to make my favorite sales videos. So I'll be doing a lot of videos today. As I make the things I'm making, I'll be also doing the educational videos. So I'll be making the videos that I'll be using to teach classes with that'll be available eventually online. I've been a little behind on getting those done because I've had orders for candles and custom things and stuff like that. So I've been trying to get everything together. So just thought I'd pop in and say hi, and because I haven't been live here in like a week. I've just been so busy. Um, so I wanted to pop in and just say hi and let you know I'm still live. I'm just doing stuff, and I'm working on getting together my trip for Jersey. Hoping to be up there maybe May 17th. I leave. I'm driving up, so I probably won't get there till like the 18th. And so I I won't be home for my birthday, but I won't be in Jersey either. I'll already have left. I'll be on the road. I'll probably get home my birthday night or something, or late afternoon. Or who knows? Maybe I'll end up stopping at Disney. I don't know yet. We're debating on when we're going to come. We might even come the week before that, before Mother's Day. I'm just looking to see what I can find hotel wise. That's not going to cost me an arm and a leg. Uh, because I want to come up. I want to see my friends. I want to see my family. My husband wants to see his family. So figured we'd come up. It's not etched in stone yet, but sometime in May. Anytime between May 10th and my birthday, May 26th. Don't know. We'll be up there at least sometime. As I get it, as I have more information, I'll let y'all know. And then the store obviously will be closed while I'm gone. I'm not going to have my kids run it. It's easier just to close it because I custom make all the candles and I don't have time to train them to do it correctly. So I'm just going to do my thing. Orders will still be able to be placed. It's just it'll take 14 days before orders go out. That way it gives me time to get back. No, it is a 1,200-mile ride. So, all right. Hopefully sometime during the week, maybe I'll actually do a live. I'm going to try. I can't guarantee. All right. I will see you all later. Ciao for now. Bye.